Hello, I am Vikas Kumar, currently pursuing MBA Financial Services, which is a specialized program that focuses on a real-time knowledge of a current trends of a financial world. One of the major and demanding topic is Python. The financial industry is a challenging one. Organization that needs to compete on the market needs to develop a product that is secure, functional and fully compliant to state and international regulations. Attention to detail are critical as well, because these solutions always include integration with financial institutions, services and a bank API connection that needs to run smoothly. Python clear programming syntax and amazing ecosystem tools is one of the best technology for development process of financial services. The most popular use of language in the financial service industry is Pythons are widely used for quantitative finance, solution for process and analysis of large data sets and big financial data. Libraries such as Panda simplify the process of data visualization and helps in carry out the sophisticated statistical calculations. Thanks to simplicity and flexibility, Python can come handy in developing ATM software that enhances payment processing. And also, every business that sells cryptocurrency need a tool to carry out cryptocurrency market data analysis. Python data science ecosystem called Anaconda helps the developer to retrieve cryptocurrency pricing and analyze it, or you can say visualize the financial data.